Hello everybody, Stingray Zaya. We are back with another video called of this Cheez-Its game, but I love this game. Better than the Cheez-Its game. It's better. Oh, I can't see them. What? A gray lion? I spotted that. This game is called Beast Mode Simulator. Pretty nice. Oh god, I'm stuck. I've been playing for a while already, so I have some good things already. I should have played this while I started the. Oh my lord! Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Oh god! That.
Ah, that's too loud.
Man. Let's go talk to this fool. Oh, it's brown bear. Why? Why? This guy's rude. Never talk to brown bear. I'll take that. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now let's go. Up here. There you go. Feed it to this guy right there. Level 4, and then like we'll feed him the seeds. One more level. There we go. To level himself up. This guy, he needs that. What else do you have? Close that. Close that. Let's go. But let's see what. Okay. Alright. Go wait, no, let's go. Let's go. You gotta make your way downtown. Just chill. Chill. Okay, this is scaring me. Just go. Actually, not yet. We gotta grab this thing. This bad boy. Alright. So oh, that's a 1,000, bro. You gotta find Shaggy in this game. Scooby-Doo too. Alright, let's go. Oh God! Oh my Lord! Let's go, boy! Yoy, 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 yoy. It's die. Don't laugh at me when I die. I'm scared. I don't care if the moon sprout appears. Ah, God! You know what? You know what? You know what? Haven't I done this already? Let me check. Nope. How do I take that off? Saw nothing. Buddy, I was just there and I just killed 2 of them, buddy. Buddy, you have a weird shaped nose. Let's go. Maybe next video, if I play this, just tell me if you want me to play this game again. I'll tell you some code. I need some of these bombs, the red ones. Not the white ones. No. I need that. Right here. Ah! Stop moving! Yoinkers. Okay, let's check if this works then. 1 hour? Come on, boy. I was about to say, if I got stuck again, I'll be triggered. You saw nothing. This video is almost ending. I'm just saying. Let's see if this works. Please, please. Ah! Oh yeah. Switch it over. Quit. Ah! We only have one more place to go. One more place to go. And that's where I end the video. Quickly, please. No, I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. I don't want to kill you. Up here. No, no, don't fall off. Alright. Go on, please, 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 just give me it. Sunflower field! Alright. That is all today. Leave a like down in the description and make sure to subscribe on the way. And turn that notification button upside down. Is that possible? Alright, it's not possible. Just click on it. I dare you to click on it. Or your favorite mountain will come down.